This is the sound of a yard that's alive. Virginia sweet spire is coming out. And that right there, lyre-leaf sage. And this right here is a mix of hornwort. Looks like grass, but that's actually bryophyte. And then right next to it, the ribbon-looking thing. That's liverwort, or one of the strap liverworts. Here's a seedling of switch cane. There is a lance leaf duck potato. Right here, my prized possession, Grassa parnassus large leaf, Parnassia grandifolia. Wisteria frutescens, or this is the native wisteria. Notice how the blooms of this legume are clustered closer to each other, and they bloom a lot later after it's leafed out than the non-native Chinese and Japanese wisteria. Pinkster azalea is still in bloom, and a lot have been pollinated, probably by butterflies and hummingbirds. Yeah, this is what a native plant habitat is supposed to sound like. This is blue-eyed grass right here, mixed in with some dicanthalium with the little seeds right here, which is a rosette grass. You still have this golden ragwort, or Pacera glabra, I believe. It looks like the last bloom of the pawpaws, or Asamina triloba, that's in bloom. And right here you have Baptisia alba, a native white legume. Comes back every year, very reliable. And these are what the new shoots of switch cane look like. Arundinaria tecta. There's another one that's smaller. These are the blooms of a male Yopon holly, or Ilex vomitoria. And there's a large, or seedling I planted years ago of Pinus palestris, or longleaf pine. Yep, this is the native plant yard in spring. Till next time. Oh yeah, and fuck Trump, fuck MAGA,